Hey YouTubers, it's Chris and I hope you're well. Now if you've been following me recently, you know I've been trying to use my mobile, the LG V30, as like my main camera to do vlogging with. We're doing a big holiday in March and I want to get the best photographs, best video I can, without the bulk of something like this. That's the Sony A55 you're currently seeing me on. Now I've really tried, but let's face it, mobile phones have got a little tiny sensor. Like, if you saw them, I'm going to put on the screen now. They're tiny. Alright, so the Sony's got the CMOS sensor, but guess what I got? I've got an LX10 from Lumix. This thing's got a 1-inch sensor. So without much further ado, let's get into an unboxing. I'm going to come back and we'll be on this sucker. Let's get into the unboxing. Here we go, very simple box. We've got the Panasonic DMC-LX10 digital camera with 4K photograph, post focus, 1-inch sensor, Leica lens, 1.4 to 2.8 aperture, variable adjustable ring, and what else we got? A little bit of information there, contrast, autofocus, light composition, hybrid, touch panel LCD, a 180-degree tiltable screen, and focus stacking. Yeah, what else we got? Wi-Fi certified, DLNA, needs very fast cards, Dolby Digital HDMI, AVC HD, as well as MP4 recording formats, and digital camera. Nothing truly exciting there. So let's get into this. Box is a little bit battered. Straight away you've got the instruction manual, some cables, so micro USB. You can actually charge the camera whilst it's off using this. They've packed in an Australian plug with an adapter, so let's have a quick look at that for a second. USB charger. I'll look at specifics and put it on screen now. So basically I can use any USB charger I want. I don't have to use this one. It's firmly built into it, so you know, that is just dodgy. I won't use that. I'll get something else that matches the output wattage and voltage of this one. Alright, moving on. Battery. Let's have a look at the battery. It's actually a really small battery. Look at that, 680 milliamp hours, 4.9 watt hours. So yeah, definitely will need to buy another battery. Got a strap. I've never really used straps, so this will probably end up in the rubbish. And the camera. Let's have a look. Oh yes, look at that. Wow. Okay, so at the back you've got all your different buttons. On the top here, you've got your flash, your PASM, different modes on off, rockable wide and zoom, whatever you call it, track, variable button here, record, 1.4 to 2.8 aperture. It's forget the zoom range on this. I think it's only a 3x zoom. It's like from 24mm to 70mm, but sufficient for my needs for vlogging. And battery compartment and SD slot there. Tripod mount there, just the usual 1/4-inch mount. And what else we got? Camera strap point there. This aperture ring feels really nice. What else we got? HDMI port. Oh yeah, there we go. So as I was saying before, there's the micro USB charge port in, as well as a micro HDMI out. You can't use that for live view, it's only for like looking at your photographs or video in playback mode. Here we go with the tilt. So yes, beautiful. Looking good. Have it this way if you so need to film, or this way. Feels nice and solid. And that is basically it. Ladies and gentlemen, my new camera, the Lumix LX10. Okay, I'm back. What do you think? Wow, it's just an unboxing. It's not that exciting, let's face it. But I'm excited. Right now, the first thing that I'm really so happy about is the fact that I can actually see what I'm doing. With my Sony, yes, it had a move out sort of screen, but as soon as you put it on a tripod, you couldn't put the screen so you could see it. So this is awesome. I can now set my exposure. I've got lots of manual controls. It's just awesome. You know, you do notice I've got some lapel mics on, and that thing definitely does not have lapel microphones. So I'm just recording it using my LG with a HD audio recorder. Simple. I will now demonstrate the microphones built into the camera. This is them. Hello, how you doing? Nice to meet you. Well, what more can we do? It's only a short, quick video. This is only first impressions. Very happy, very excited. I paid just under $700 for this. Recommended retail is $9.99, which is ridiculous. You can get it from Ted's for like $8.99. Michael's was $8.50. I'll put some prices down beneath if you want to go check it out. Otherwise, really excited for this camera. Nice, compact and small, perfect for traveling with. I've got a few accessories coming so that I can control the light and exposure a bit better. Plus, I'm going to modify my smooth Q. This is so good, so good. Anyways, if you haven't already, do me a huge favor. Subscribe. We need to get 1,000. You know what I'm talking about, don't you? If you don't, I'll explain another day. Take care. Hope to see you real soon.